Kinda need to this is saying turn right.
Got a mobile number ending 160, correct?
Yeah, that's correct.
No, you're good to go.
Oh, nice one. Thanks a lot for your
Anyone
help.
approaches you, just give them that quote cab number and that shows you've been authorised.
Oh, thanks a lot.
No worries.
Right, so currently we're on Westminster, the Lambeth Bridge. I'm currently en route to the BT Tower. I'm gonna do a flight in a restricted area. It's called the NSF. So stay tuned. Stay tuned. So this is the BT Tower. I'm literally running thin with time. I've literally got about 10 minutes. I've literally got about 10 minutes to film this drone flight because I literally was cruising on the line back. The GPS signal is going to be a little bit of a bummer maybe because there's so much so now I like to use spotlight mode to get because I'm running short on time, I like to use spotlight mode to get cinematic shots. Before I forget, I'm just going to get a quick picture in that framing exactly as it is. Do you know the funniest thing? I wasn't even recording. That's the most craziest. Me now, what I'm just going to quickly do, just going to quickly check around my surroundings. There is the orbit that's currently going down. Signal may get lost, so I'm going to stop the orbit there. Got 3 minutes. Many times pilots will be out doing a drone operation and you will come to find you forgot to press the record button, but you've pressed the start button thinking that that's going to actually start the recording, but that's just the automation. So obviously I'm using POY, so I've started the POY but I forgot to press the record button. So pretty much I'm gonna bring the drone in. So I pause the drone. So if I bring it in now, it's gonna bring it into home now. That was very close. I'm looking at it right now. So close. I think I'm gonna cancel the return to home and bring it down myself. So that's the one thing I do love about when flying DJI drones. So it's so funny, just bringing it in, I just got missed by a swan. It's actually, do you know what guys, I want to show you. I literally just got missed by a swan. It's actually so funny. So checking that the whole road's clear. I'm gonna pull her in as quick as possible. The area is clear.
Landing.
So I'm gonna just get her out of the road. There we go, guys. Right, so I'm just gonna quickly review the footage before I go away, just in case I have to call up the police and authorize another flight. I'm just gonna double check I'm happy with everything I've got. Guys, once again, thanks for watching. That was a beautiful flight. Stay tuned.